In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to a different view in Wrike. When you're working in Wrike, the way your tasks and projects are displayed can make a huge difference in how easily you can understand and manage your work. Wrike offers several different views, such as board, Gantt, and calendar, and each one is tailored to a specific way of planning or tracking tasks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to switch between these available views so you can pick the one that matches how you like to work. First, make sure you're inside the relevant space, folder, or project in Wrike where your tasks are stored. You should see your list of tasks in the main area of the screen. Now, look toward the top of that task area, just above the list of tasks themselves. This is where the available views are displayed. Here, you'll typically see options like board, Gantt, table, or calendar, depending on what's enabled for that specific space or folder. These appear as clickable tabs or buttons, usually arranged horizontally. Each of these represents a different way of visualizing the exact same set of tasks, so switching views will not change your data, it only changes how it's displayed. To switch views, simply move your cursor over to the view name you'd like to use. For example, if you want to see your tasks in a Kanban style layout, click on Board. If you prefer to view your project timeline with dependencies and durations, click on Gantt. For a time-based look at your tasks arranged by dates, click on Calendar. Once you click, Wrike will automatically reload the main area to show your tasks in that selected view. If you don't immediately see the view you're looking for, you may need to expand the list of available views. In some layouts, there may be a small drop-down arrow or a plus icon near the view names that allows you to reveal additional options. Click that and then choose the view you want from the list. After you've switched, take a moment to scroll around and familiarize yourself with what that view emphasizes. For example, in Board View, you'll see tasks organized in columns, often by status. In Gantt View, you'll see tasks on a timeline with bars and dependencies.